welcome back to my channel, The Sarthak Show, where we discuss about tech, career, product, and life. And today we are going to move ahead and start a very interesting project. So this is about a Telegram bot, how you can make a Telegram bot. So there are various platforms that support bots like WhatsApp, Discord, and so on and so forth. Today we'll make a Telegram bot. It's actually easy and there are ways available on this. This will be very, very helpful if you are looking to create some good, cool, awesome project for your resume, or for if you want to create something, a very good outcome out of it. This will help you do a lot of things, automate at certain level of things, and so on and so forth. So it will be good to have. You can create a bot out of it. What I would say a prerequisite for this lecture or this video would be understanding JavaScript, understanding how APIs work, understanding how you can use npm packages and everything, and mostly the basic setup that is available on your system like VS Code, the code editor, and then how you can run those commands and everything. So the basic understanding of code will help you. If you don't know any of this, you can simply copy and reiterate on my video and just reciprocate all these things, and you will be good to go, and you will be able to make a bot out of it. You don't need to explicitly understand everything right now. I will also recommend, don't try to copy watching the video for the first time and writing the code at the same time. Do not try that. Watch the video first from the scratch till the end of it, and then you can, after you get the bot, how did it work and everything, you can start working in this direction. But yes, that is the directionality that we want to move in. I'm going to show you how you can create a bot out of it, right? So very interestingly, Telegram has some exposed API. Let me just show them Telegram bot APIs. So if you go over there, you can see that Telegram has listed all these things. They have attached the documentation, everything. You can do everything. What are the APIs and available over here? If you go directly, these are the APIs that are available, what you can do out of them and everything. But if I am making this project as a beginner and I don't want you to understand all of these things, these complex things, definitely there should be a easy and quick fix way, right? So what actually happens is there is a package which is Telegraph, which is an npm package and available for the users to directly use and utilize it. So let me just show you that. Okay, so this is the Telegraph package available, which is just to introduce bots on your system. You can create them. You can actually decide how the command messages should look like. This is also a very good and I would say reliable version, because you can see that they have listed their GitHub over here. They also have some weekly downloads coming in. If you go over their GitHub, you can see that it was a commit 3 days ago. So it's actively maintained on these files. There are things that are being tracked and everything. So that's the basic idea on this package, that you can understand they have given everything, every kind of context. And as I mentioned, why we are choosing Telegram over any other thing. You can always create WhatsApp bots. You can always create Discord bots and everything. But for today's lecture, we are going to focus totally on the Telegram bots, right? What I find interesting is that everything is available over here. Step-by-step guide is available, how you can create it, how you can do, what are the things available. They have also given sample codes that we are going to utilize in our video, how you can do that, how you can utilize this and everything. So this is how it's going to be very simple for you. Let us try to use this. So on my system, I'm going to init the package over here. So let me just start a terminal. Yes, so let me do just a minute. Yes, so now we have a package.json available with us. This has the file and every details that you need. Of course, I'm going to push everything on the GitHub and you will be able to access that. But let's just try to install this command over here. So on my Telegram, how you can do this, they have given the install command over here. So let me just quickly copy paste it. This is going to take some time. Yes. So I have added a Telegraph package over here. You can see that this file is available in package.log.json, that we have this file available with us, right? What next? I'm going to create a file over here and we can start. Let me just quickly copy paste the command that we are going to use, which is this one, right? So there is a function which requires Telegraph. So what we have done is we have installed the npm package Telegraph, and now we are going to use it over here in the index.js file. So that's the first command, that's the foremost step that we have taken care of. So far this looks very simple, right? What we have done is we have used a Telegraph package, what we have installed it on system with the help of npm, and now we have just created index.js file and we are going to use it, right? So since we have done this part, we have required this, actually got this telegraph package and we have added to our file. Let's move to the next step. If you see that in this asks for token, right? Let me just put it over here. So this is what it is asking for. For now, I'm going to just put it like this. So it's asking for a token over here. This is showing an error because I'm not entering the right value, but this is what I'm trying to show. It asks for a token, and which is very important because if you are creating a bot, you should be able to control its right and everything. So I'm not going too much deep into what token is actually. It's just to safeguard some of the things that you are creating, and it's a very unique private key that is available to you, right? So may not be unique, but that's a private key which is available to you, and if anyone has access to that token value, they can try and modify this code. So whenever you're pushing this code on GitHub, try and avoid this hiding this token, and there are ways available to actually hide this token, but that is something that you have to take care of. So for now, we don't have a token value, but let me show you how you can do. To get the token value, you should have a registered Telegram account. Since I'm not able to connect my phone and device and show you, I have registered my account on phone and I'm going to show you on the device itself. So this is what I have. So I'm on Telegram. Let me search for a bot, which is bot father. So bot father. See, you will get all the list, but this one is verified one. So you can directly click on this one. Bot father is a generic bot, which is like master bot of all bots and everything. It takes care of everything. All the things that I have done over here is just the sample things that I have done, but it's a way how you can do and get the token and everything. So let me show you how the what is the way to get the token value from here, from bot father. Like that is the first question that comes to your mind, right? Next step is, so what we have to actually do is open Telegram and search for, right? That's the only thing that you have to do right now. The next step is, after you're on the bot father, you can do this accepts things like commands and everything. It shows you everything. So let me give you a very simple example. If I write start, it's going to show all these things what I can do. The actual way that they suggest is I can create a new bot, right? If you carefully see that there's a way that you can use this command to create a new bot, but there are other instructions as well. So you can go through the instructions, you can understand them and actually check this out. So let me just give you this. So what you have to do is, right? So this is what we have to do. Just write start/start. So anything that you give as a command on a bot is by a slash, the initiator, which gives you understanding that this is a command going to come. /start is the basic command. That's we are going to do. What is the next thing that we are going to do? We are going to write slash, since it's mentioned that new bot is the way you can create, so I'm going to write slash new bot. What is the name that I want to call, right? That is the way, since I'm creating a bot for myself, so I'm going to call it Sarthak bot. Let's say good. So this is Sarthak bot that I have just created, and you can create any name what you want, but now you have to choose a very specific username and it must end in bot, right? So I'm just going to keep the same name and try if I can get this username, Sarthak bot. Since this is already taken, let me try. This is already taken. So how I have tried and get the actual bot. So Sarthak Jain underscore bot is available to me. So let me just quickly paste this link on my tab over here. It will ask for a bot name. Obviously your bot should have a name. It could be something like your name, test bot, or let's say you're making an app or something, so you can call it like XYZ app or XYZ app bot app or something. So bot name is something that will be visible to the user. Unique username is something that you have to decide and which will be in general to all the bots that exist. So you don't have to actually mention a slash. You can directly mention the bot name. You don't have to write slash test bot or slash Sarthak bot or something. I just simply entered a strings in this format. So let me write it this way. So this is how it exists. And now I have got the bot with me. I have got the link with me. So let me just put it with this way. It will ask for a unique username. Once you are able to get that username, you will get a link. So link to the bot. Yes, this is the bot link that I have with me. I can add a description, I can do certain things, the picture of the bot and everything that is available. As you can see, you can add a description, sections, profile picture of your bot. So help, I can get all of these things. But a very important thing if you get is I got the token to actually create a bot, right? So this is a very unique token, and so I'm just going to copy paste over here. Right. So this is the token that I was talking about, and we got the token. There are ways to hide it from your GitHub code and everything so that users are not able to use it. I know I'm exposing this on the public video, but rest assured I'm going to disable it before and I'm going to delete this bot before you guys actually can use it. So I'm going to hide it in my file and everything, but yeah, there is a way that you can do this. Now we have got at least the setup part done. The configuration has been done. Let's quickly try and identify if this bot actually understands and get this value. So if I'm trying this code, and let me just enter over here, Control T, Control V, enter. Oh, sorry, my bad. I want to try the bot link actually. Copy link. What does it say? Yes, I want to allow this message. Yes, I have a Sarthak bot over here. Let me start. Since we have not done anything over here, it is not going to respond. The bot is not working, bot is not responding and everything. But yes, now we are entered into the Sarthak bot. It was not, if you go back certain videos back, certain seconds back, you will not find this over here. So we are able to actually make an entry over here and understand to the bot. So let's move towards the next thing, which is the next command that are available. So what it does is in the start, it receives a context thing, CTX, and you can decide what it should reply, what it should actually return. So it takes an object like CTX, and you can understand more about CTX class. It takes a context instance, and then this is what it has been written over here. If you are not aware of JavaScript and everything, you are not required to go in depth very much into understanding this. You can directly use this command and you can good to go. So I'm going to just copy paste this thing, Control C, and over here in my code, this is the thing. But instead of welcome, let me write welcome to Sarthak bot. Right. So this is the command that we have pasted. Now let's try and see if this is working for you or not. So if you carefully see in this command as well, they have mentioned how you can do is bot launch. So we have to use this in the end to actually launch the bot and everything. Let me just quickly paste this command as well. We don't have to be very sure about these commands, but we can keep them as it is just to be on the safe side. And now what we can do is we can actually run these commands and understand and try if this is working or not. So let me just try and give you an example of how we can run it. So bot, if I run it, yes, this bot is running. Now let me show you on my system if what happens if I write /start. See, now it is able to reply. Since we have given the context what you should do after getting a command, what is the expected outcome, it is able to reply and give you an idea of this. Let me just quickly end the bot. So Control C. This bot has ended. Now what I can do is I can actually make and use interesting things over here. What I want to do, I can give certain commands, I can take certain inputs. If let's say somebody says hi, what I want to do, if somebody sends a sticker, what I can do, if somebody asks for certain things, what I can do. So this is how it has been done. If I carefully see, so there's help as a command that has been given. So I can do this. If somebody asks for help, basically, I can say send me a sticker. So let me again run this and /help. Now it says send me a sticker. Right? You can do certain things that are basically you can define the command that you want to do and you can actually create this, right? Let me end this as well. I have ended the bot. Now let's see what else we can do. So there is another way, which is an event, which is based on an event, which says like you can do on click, which is on sticker send. So basically whenever someone sends a sticker, you can reply with a thumbs up. So instead of thumbs up, let me do something like a crazy stuff, heart or something. So heart emoji. So I have a heart emoji over here. Let me check to the code base what it do. I can also mention this, like, so if somebody sends a text like hi, so it now hears this text hi, I can reply with hi there, and Sarthak this side, Sarthak bot this side, right? I can reply something like that. I can do multiple things over here. I can create on my kind of stuff. I can create my own command. So if you carefully see, there's another way where you can create your own command. So start, help, on, sticker, and here's are something that is available by default. Start and help something are the commands that are available by default, but you can create your own command. So something like this is a command that the guy has created. Let me just use this command. If someone takes now we have to want to create a command. So I'm creating a command Sarthak. If somebody says Sarthak slash Sarthak command slash Sarthak, basically what it should do, it should say well, right? It should reply with something, but you can what basically you can say certain things over here and you can do. So again, let me just quickly search for an emoji or something. Maybe this rocket is a good emoji to do. Travel. So let me just control C, Sarthak, control V. Right. I'm going to show this. I have my bot over here. I can see that these are the commands that we have used. So let me just quickly run this bot. Okay. Let me try and send hi. It says, hey there, Sarthak bot this side. What else we have done? We have sent a sticker. So let me try and sending a sticker. We have a sticker over here. So let me send a sticker. If I send, Sarthak bot is replying with a heart as expected. So this is supposed to reply with your sticker as you have sent set up in the command. What it can do is it can also hear hi, which I've shown you. It is also a command. So if you have to enter a command in Telegram, what you have to do is mention slash Sarthak. It's capital S. Yeah, welcome to the tech world of Sarthak. To the tech world of Sarthak. Grammatic mistake. Welcome to the tech world of Sarthak. Yes. So this is how you can create certain things. You can do your changes. You can create a bot. I hope that you understood how you can create a very basic bot out of it. I will put the GitHub link in the description box below. You can check that out. You can understand and get this code base. I will link all these things. I will make a good readme file. You can understand each and every step out of it. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to understand basics of JS or how to set up your VS code, how to maybe understand npm packages and everything, what are the things that we have used. Mention the comments below if you are not sure about certain types of things. But what we have done basically so far is that we have used a telegraph package. We have defined get a token name based on our bot name, and on the next step we have defined certain commands and certain parameters that what will we give to the bot and get a response out of here. So I can still say hi, it will start giving me responses and everything. Yeah. So now you have created your own bot. You can do it for multiple purposes. If I want to create a bot for, let's say, my to-do list, I can just mention like everything I enter as a thing. It will add it to my to-do list. When I say show to-do list, it will list me all the things. Let's say if I say something like slash command, give a command to cut an item from a to-do list, it will delete that item from the to-do list. You can create your own to-do list on a Telegram bot. Maybe something like all the other things that you want to do, you can create out of it, and possibilities are endless. It's up to your imagination and what you can do. But how I have wanted to give you, this is a very simple bot that you can create right from basic things on your system, and it will be a good project for your resume. It will be a good project that you have created, and it will be good. Also, interesting things are that it is running on your system as a server. If I, let's say, kill this bot right now, so this is the process has ended right now. If I now say hi, it will reply. If I hi now says command Sarthak, it won't do anything. So anything it won't do. But as soon as I run this, if I run this, I will start getting reply. Hi there, Sarthak bought this side, which is the response of hi. The other word is welcome to the tech world of Sarthak, which is the other response. Basically, I can also create a new command, which is who made this. Right? You can ask this and it should say something like, so let me just kill this bot again and try restarting this, play again. And yeah, if I say who made this, Sarthak Jain, the Sarthak show. So basically, it's going to reply in the way that you were expecting, and it's working as fine. So you can create your own commands. You can do certain things. I hope this was a good video for you. You were able to get a lot of different things and understand. I hope I was able to explain you how you can create your own Telegram bot. So create your Telegram bot. Check the link in the description box below, and like this video, share it among your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
तो दोस्तों मैंने नोटिस करा रिसेंटली स्टूडेंट्स को 2022 में प्लेसमेंट्स में काफ़ी स्ट्रगल करना पड़ रहा है एंड ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंस एम्प्लॉइज़ को भी स्विच करने में काफ़ी दिक्कत आ रही है. मार्केट भी वॉलेटाइल है और ले ऑफ्स हो रहे हैं. सो कंपनीज हायर किसको कर रही है? हायर कर रही है सिर्फ स्किल्ड एम्प्लॉइज़ को. अगर ये मार्केट की सिचुएशन है और ये प्रॉब्लम है, पर सोल्यूशन क्या है? सोल्यूशन है न्यूटन स्कूल का फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कोर्स. सो जो भी नॉन टेक बैकग्राउंड में है या जिसको स्विच करना है या प्लेसमेंट में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, यू कैन अप्लाई एंड चूज फॉर न्यूटन स्कूल फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कोर्स. ये स्किल ओरिएंटेड कोर्स है. यहाँ पे 1-on-1 मेंटरशिप है. आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए भी प्रिपरेशन मिलेगी एंड न्यूटन स्कूल आपको हेल्प करेगा, असिस्ट करेगा प्लेसमेंट में जो टॉप कंपनीज है, गूगल, फ्लिपकार्ट, जोमैटो. एंड ऑल्सो यू विल गेट एवरेज पैकेज अबाउट 8 lakhs, which is very high. So Newton Schools gives you 100% placement assistance. And then what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description box below. Register karo and go through the whole website and understand what are the things that you are going to learn in this full stack development course. बहुत ही बढ़िया कोर्स है. आई एम गिविंग माई फुल रिकमेंडेशन. तो दोस्तों एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताऊं. सो आपको जो पढ़ाने वाले मेंटर्स होंगे, दे आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द टॉप कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, टेस्ला, हॉटस्टार, एंड दे हैव टीच अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड हेल्प देम गेट प्लेस्ड एट दीज कंपनीज. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? दोस्तों तो अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत ज्यादा महंगा कोर्स है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसे पे करने पड़ेंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं है. दे ऑल्सो हैव EMI ऑप्शंस. यू हैव टू पे 5,600 पर मंथ ओनली. और अगर आप स्लो लर्नर हो तो न्यूटन स्कूल के पास एक और तरीका, दे गिव यू 1 complete year so that you get enough time to prepare and learn.